the burden of the task, yeah. I shoot my arrows in the air sometimes, saying ayo, reapers KO. Looters remains and now his soul first mine, saying ayo, not today, no. And then I'll go to work under the birch tree, and I'll make myself tons of TNT, and I'll use these blocks to build a big city, and I'll mine it all using TNT. I came to blow, 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 blow up everything you've ever known, expel you out of house and home, 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 home. Biome to biome you shall roam, 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 roam. Yeah, yeah, 'cause I'm a creeper, I will rob all of your items, that's my job, yeah. I shoot my arrows in the air sometimes, saying ayo, creepers KO. T-Mac is ghost and now his soul first mine, saying ayo, MLG bro. And then I'll head back home, where I'll smile with glee, now that I can make tons of TNT. 'Cause I rule my world, made in 3x3. I'ma blow stuff up with my TNT. I'm gonna blow it all. Every mountain, every valley. Ruler of the world, yup. All of the animals will fear me. TNT is awesome, and TNT is just really cool. It's just really cool. I'm gonna shoot my arrows in the air. Arrows in the air. Shoot your arrows in the air. I shoot my arrows in the air sometimes, saying ayo, creepers KO. T-Mac is ghost and now his soul